Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer photos with Shutterfly step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Shutterfly website. Log into your Shutterfly account using your email address and password. Once logged in, locate the upload button at the top of the page. Click on the upload button to initiate the photo transfer process. A file selection window will appear. Browse your computer for the photos you want to upload. Select the desired photos by clicking on each one. After selecting, click the Open button to start the upload. You will see a progress indicator as the photos upload. Once the upload is complete, your photos will appear in your Shutterfly account. To organize your photos, navigate to the My Photos section. Here, you can create albums by clicking on the Create New Album button. Drag and drop photos into the new album or select them individually. After organizing your photos, you can edit them if needed. To edit, click on a photo and choose the editing options available. Once satisfied with your edits, save the changes. Now, you can share your album or individual photos with family and friends. To share, click the Share button and follow the prompts to send your photos via email or social media. For physical printing, select the desired photos and choose a product type. Follow the instructions to customize and place your order. Review your order before finalizing the purchase. Your photos are now successfully transferred to Shutterfly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.